Pardon my dirty laundry. Well, it's not dirty. That's dry clean. But I needed to show you this, much to my chagrin. I really hadn't planned on it. And this really has ended up being an addendum to DKIM, the eBay seller that I have raved about. You wouldn't believe it, but this came all the way from Hawaii. Look how the spike is held above the plant, how tall and regal. Do you ever see that? Let me give you some light, just so you can really check that out. If I can. This deserves full on. Come on, do I live here? Well, I don't get it. But look, and the plant is sitting in this because it's so top heavy. You can see how it was up potted for ease or to prevent disturbance of the roots. There's the original pot. Looks like it was probably a mesh net pot. So the roots go through, and you can see it easily came through here. And without a beat, dropped a beat, or skipped a beat. So the sequence starts back here, and you can see it's been blooming for a while. But the fruit bulbs have progressively gotten bigger and stronger. Thus, the amazing cluster of flowers that are presented. And it's just not gonna do it justice for me. Maybe if I come the other way. But the point of this really is, this is how it arrived from Hawaii. This, by the way, is another amazing thing, which is, it's a Hamlin's Magic, which Hamlin is Claude Hamilton, who is retiring quickly. But look how that arrived from Hawaii. No heat pack. And then, wait a minute, look at this. There's the box. I don't even have to show you the tag because all shipments from Hawaii come in these boxes. The majority of them, 90%. So, you can see it's just paper, shredded newspaper. But this is a replacement. I'm just going to show you the tag, and that's all I'm going to say. Such a fragrant orchid. Very spicy and sweet. It's like almost like bazooka bubble gum when you first chew it before it gets all flavorless and it loses its elasticity. Very complex. Love it. Again, all the way from Hawaii. Arrived like this. Flowers not damaged, a little bit wonky, but still fresh. Scent is very strong. Buds intact all over the plant. Not any visible damage. So, again, DKIM on eBay has got it. So you better get it before I do. Thanks for watching and enjoy your orchids. And stay tuned for more. Bye.